Hi everyone, this sums from the chapter Statistics exercise 14.3 fifth problem. The following table gives the distribution of the lifetime of 400 neon lamps. Lifetime in hours, number of lamps. All these are class intervals. These are frequency. Find the median lifetime of a lamp. Ask her to find the median. Recall the formula for median. Grouped data. Median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. Here L is a lower limit, lower boundary of median class. N by 2, sum of all observations. N. CF, cumulative frequency. F, frequency. Median class frequency preceding cumulative frequency. This is CF. H, height of the class, length of the class interval. Okay. Now, given in the problem, same as it is, copy lifetime as class interval, number of lamps, same as it is. Median of, in all these class intervals, which class interval is the median class? How many class intervals here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 class intervals, then we can take fourth class interval as median class. This class interval frequency F, this class interval preceding cumulative frequency. Lower boundary or lower limit 3000. Here all these upper limit first class, lower limit second class is same. Like intervals are called exclusive class intervals. For exclusive class intervals, no need to convert as boundaries. Inclusive class intervals means you must convert as their boundaries. Okay. Now, total sum of observations 400 by 2. Like numbers, how we can add easily? Recall ones place, tens place, then add using place value. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 4, 14, 14 6, 20, 26, 26, 26 4, 30. Ones plus 0, tens plus 3, 3, 4, 7, 7, 6, 13, 13, 7, 20, 28, 34, 39, 40, 400. Okay. Now median is equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. L value 3000, N by 2 value 200, CF value 130 by F value frequency 86 and H value 500. Now 3000 plus 200 minus 130 70 by 86 into 500 is equal to 3000 plus 75 35 2 zeros 1 0 1000 35,000 by 86. This 2 simplification is 406.98. So this data median is equal to 3406.98 hours. Okay, fifth problem completed. Now sixth problem, 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in English alphabet in the surnames was obtained as follows. Number of letters 1 to 4 letters, 4 to 7 letters, 7 to 10 letters, class intervals. Number of surnames 6, 1 to 4 letters surnames are 6, 4 to 7 surnames are 30. Like, determine the median number of letters in the surnames. Find the mean number of letters in surnames. Also find the model size of the surnames. Median, mean and mode asked in this problem. Okay. Total observations N is equal to 4, 4, 8, 8, 6, 14, 14, 6, 20, 1 plus 0, 2, 3, 7, 10, 100. N by 2 is equal to 100 by 2, 50. Now, 1447 exclusive class interval, height of this class interval H is equal to upper limit minus lower limit, any class interval. 413. Got it? Now write as it is, copy class interval, number of server names. Again question here, which is the median class? How many class intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 class intervals. And next one is 6 class intervals means we can take third class interval as median class or fourth class interval as median class. That one type. Another type also is there. Total observations 100 by 250. So mid value almost 50. Then 36 plus 40, 76. So this 50 value came in this class interval. Take third class interval as median class. Okay. Now frequency f is equal to 40. This class interval lower limit 7 as L. This class interval preceding cumulative frequency 36. How we can write this less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency, cumulative frequency? Less than cumulative frequency both are same. Same as it is, you copy first number 6. Then second one 6 plus 30, 36. 36 plus 40, 76. 76 plus 16, 92. 92 plus 4, 96. 96 plus 4, 100. In this way. N by 2 is equal to 50. F frequency equal to 40. L is equal to 7. Cumulative frequency preceding class of median class is 36. Height of the class interval is 3. Now median equal to L plus N by 2 minus CF by F into H. L value 7, N by 2 50, CF 36 by F 40 into 3. 7 plus 50 minus 36, 14 by 40 into 3. Okay, 2 7 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0. Now 7 3 are 21 by 20 is remain there. 7 plus 21 by 20, after simplification we can get 1.05. These two numbers sum is 8.05. Now median of this data is equal to 8.05. But this problem asked to find the median, mean and mode. Here we got median. Then next is mean and mode. Mean and mode. To find the mean for the big numbers, biggest data, always use step deviation method. Class interval, frequency, class mark, DI, UI, FI, UI. Class interval as it is, frequency as it is, class mark, mid value, XI, average of class interval. 4 plus 1, 5 by 2, 2.5. These class intervals, all these class intervals, length is 3. Okay. Then simply you add 3. 2.5 plus 3, 5.5. 5.5 plus 3, 8.5 in this way. Now DI is equal to XI minus A. A assumed mean. How many class intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can take third class interval mid value or fourth class interval mid value as assumed mean, no problem. Here I taken third class interval mid value. A is equal to assumed mean is equal to 8.5. Okay. Now UI is equal to XI minus A by H or D by H, both are same. For all this data, subtract 8.5 from every class mark. Then we will get minus 6, minus 3, 0, 3, 6, 9. Using this by H, minus 6 by 3, minus 3 by 3, 0 by 3, 3 by 3, 6 by 3, 9 by 3, we get these values. Now FI UI, this table FI, this table UI. These two tables product 6 into minus 2 minus 12, 30 into minus 1 minus 30, 40 into 0 0, 16 into 1 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. Now summation of fi ui minus 6. Summation of fi 100. Add these all numbers, minus 12, minus 30, 16, 8, 12. Okay. Now first add negative numbers 30 and 12. Minus 42, 12, 8, 20, 20 plus 16, 36. The difference of these two numbers 4 and 2 minus 6. Now height of the class interval 3, assumed mean 8.5. Then formula mean is equal to a plus summation of fi ui by summation of fi into h. Assumed mean a 8.5 plus summation of fi ui minus 6 by 100 into height of the class interval 3. Then 8.5 minus 6 3s are 18 by 100. After division 18 by 100, or in the denominator place there are 2 zeros, so in numerator place 2 digits before point. Simple. 8.5 minus 0.18 is equal to 8.32 is the mean of this data. Next, mode. Class interval same as it is, frequency same as it is. Now which is the biggest frequency class interval? That is the mode class or model class. 40. This is the model class. This model class lower limit L. Okay. Model class frequency F1. Preceding frequency F0. Succeeding frequency F2. Then mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. 7 plus all these values substitute in this formula. L7, F1 40, F0 30 by 2F1 40, F2 30 minus 2F1 minus F0 30 minus F2 16 into 3. 2 40s are 80, 30, 16, both are negative numbers. Add them, minus 46. 40 minus 30, 10, 80 minus 46, 34. Then multiply this numerator and numerator. 33 is a 10 3 is a 30 by 34. This 30 by 34 value is 0.888. Remaining 7. Sum of these two numbers came, mode is equal to 7.888. Okay. With this we completed this problem also, 6th problem. Next, last problem, 7th problem. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Find the median. Simply, class interval, frequency, as it is class interval, as it is frequency. To find the cumulative frequency, write first frequency, then next sum of two frequencies, sum of three frequencies, sum of four frequencies, 5 frequencies, 6 frequencies, 7 frequencies. This is cumulative frequency. Next, among these class intervals, which is the median class? How many class intervals? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So automatically fourth class interval. 1, 2, 3, fourth class interval. This is the median class. Frequency F is equal to 6. Preceding class cumulative frequency 13. Median class lower limit as 55. Now n, sum of all observations 30, n by 2 15, f of 6, c of 13, h. The difference of upper limit and lower limit, any class interval 5, l lower limit of median class 55. Now median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Okay, here L value 55 plus n by 2 value 15 minus Cf value 13 by 6 into 5. 15, 13, 2 by 6 into 5. 2, 1 is 2, 2, 3s are 6. 5, 1 is 5 by 3. Remaining 55. 55 plus 5 by 3. The value of 5 by 3 is 1.6666. Then 55 plus 1.666, sum is 56.666. Then median is equal to 56.6666 and so on, or 56.67 also we can write. This is the median for this data. Thank you so much. Watch my full videos and share to your friends and family members. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.